Alright, what's up guys? It's Brennan back with another video. Sorry I haven't been posting a while. It's just school and stuff. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys what I run on my scooter. All my parts, most of my parts in my setup right now. And all of my parts, it is going to be a rebuild. Alright, so first, we're going to start off with the deck. I am running the Prodigy S5 Chrome deck. So yeah, this is going to be the one that we're writing, and that, and I think I'm going to use, between these wheels, and the T-Fox wheels, I think I'm going to use the T-Fox wheels, and the bars I am running are the, what are they called, Prodigy 1, the first ones. So yeah, I'm going to use those. And my clamp, I'm using a triple blue clamp that I'm going to paint this weekend. And the fork I use is a Envy. Don't know which one, but yeah. And other than that, that's just the bolts. And if you guys are looking at this deck, this one is just my painted one. I painted it, wrote my initials on it. So yeah, so let's get straight to it. Allen keys over here. Alright, so got it. So first let's get the deck started. Let's start with the back wheel. Actually, let's start with the fork. So got that. I'm not running my gold spacer because it just makes too much rattle, and I don't know how to fix that. So yeah. If you guys are asking about that, and if I'm really quiet, that's because I don't feel good and I'm tired. But I just had to post, so my hands are already getting really dirty. So put the head cap on. I think I'm doing something wrong. No, I'm not. Alright. Take the compression system. The bolt-in. Make it tight enough to the point where it can still turn freely if you want to do a bar spin or something. I like mine a really tight. It's just that I put DW40 on mine a couple times because it would not work. And yeah. So first wheel we're going to put on T-Fox. Put that, take the bolt. These are my favorite bolts because you only have one. It's built into the back. The bolt is built in, so get that. And so if you guys haven't seen my last video, I forgot what it was, go check that out. I think it was a scooter one, or was that my first one? My first ever scooter I had. That was my first video that I ever made. So yeah, go check that out. Pretty cool for my first scooter. Because I didn't really know anything about scooters, so I got this one, so. And I've had this one for about a good year. Gonna get a new one soon. I just need to get a new deck, and that's all. It's like brand new after that, so put the clamp on, just like that. Switch it around. Put the back wheel on. Okay. Just to let you guys know, my wheels are flat because I used to use my brake a lot, but just to let you guys know in the future, just don't use your brake because it will ruin your wheel by IST Fox wheel I ruined because of that. So yeah. Alright. Tighten it up. Right on. Yep, it is. Yeah, that was my first one about the scooter that I was just talking about. So yeah. And if I got this scooter at AZ Grind for like $300, $210, I'm not sure. Forgot that, but it's really good. Lasted like 2 years now, 1 or 2, I'm not sure. Really good scooter though. I recommend it. AZ Grind's really good. Shout them out. azgrind.com. It's in Gilbert. The shop is in Gilbert where I got my scooter. Came all stock until I got new bars and everything. So the base is done. Now I just have to get the clamp on. Just like that. And I'm going to be painting these bars and getting new grips. I want to get some hot pink ones. And I'm going to get a custom scooter build. So you guys watch that video whenever I make it. Okay, just like that. Oh, I can't find the slit. Can I? No, I can't. Why is that? I can't really measure my wheel out either. I think that's going to be it right there. Might be a little off, but I'll try to fix that. Yeah, I got it. It's perfect. I can't sit down right. Oh, my clamp's upside down. Yep, just like that. Screw all those in. And I'll be showing you a life hack about your clamp. If you get a Dr. Pepper can and your clamp slides up and down like mine did, that means your clamp is worn out. So go get a soda can and then you're going to want to cut. I prefer using a soda can, not a soda bottle, but that'll work. It's just like making a, oh, I forgot what it's called. Yeah, I forgot what it's called. Of course I did. But yeah, I think I just built my scooter again. So yeah, this is my scooter right now. Is it dialed? No, it's wheels not even in the right place. And I'm trying to dial it on the floor, so it's probably not going to work. Oh, that's really loud. So, this is my scooter. I have the Arizona sticker on the front of my scooter. That's what it looks like. So, yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Daily videos. Go check out my first scooter build. And, yeah. See you guys next time. Bye.